Founded by CZ Changpeng Zhao in 2017, Binance has grown into a crypto empire. It started with simple trading, but now includes spot, margin, futures, P2P, NFTs, savings, staking, and even a launchpad for new tokens. It operates globally with over 150 million users. It's not just an exchange, it's an entire crypto ecosystem. Head over to Binance.com or download the app. Sign up with your email or phone number. Then comes KYC, Know Your Customer. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID, take a selfie, and possibly do facial recognition. Don't skip this. It unlocks full functionality and protects your account. You can fund your account via credit card, bank transfer, or peer-to-peer P2P. Want to use crypto? Choose the right network, ERC20, BEP20, etc. Copy your address and send. Withdrawals follow the same process. But warning, send to the wrong network and your funds are gone. Binance's spot trading lets you buy crypto at real-time prices. Choose from market orders, instant, or limit orders, your set price. The interface shows live order books, depth charts, and trade history. Start small, trade slowly, and always double-check your numbers. Crypto isn't just for trading. You can earn passively. Binance Earn includes flexible savings, locked staking, launch pool, dual investment, and auto-invest. Flexible plans let you withdraw anytime. Locked plans offer higher returns. Just read the fine print. Some assets are volatile. Futures trading lets you speculate on prices going up or down with leverage. Want to 10x your trade? Futures allow it, but leverage is a double-edged sword. Margin trading lets you borrow funds for bigger positions, but you can be liquidated. Never use leverage unless you understand the risk. Over-leverage is where dreams die. Even a 5% market move can wipe you out if you're 20x leveraged. Emotional trading makes it worse. Set stop losses, stick to your plan, and don't gamble. Treat it like a business, not a lottery. Crypto security starts with you. Activate two-factor authentication. Set an anti-phishing phrase for emails. Enable withdrawal whitelist to restrict where funds can go. Use strong, unique passwords. And never share your login, even with support. Binance will never DM you first. Fees on Binance are low, starting at 0.1% for spot trades, but you can save even more by paying with BNB tokens. There are also VIP fee tiers if you trade high volume. Always check the fee schedule. It updates often, and small fees add up. Scammers are everywhere. They copy token names, logos, even entire websites. Always check the contract address on Binance or CoinMarketCap. Beware of airdrop scams, support impersonators, and giveaways. Trust but verify. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it is. Pros: high liquidity, wide range of coins, constant innovation. Cons: complex UI for beginners, mixed support experiences, and regulations in some countries. Binance is powerful, but with great power comes the need for personal responsibility. Binance has faced scrutiny, but it's taken big steps. SAFU emergency fund, cold storage, tighter compliance. But no exchange is 100% safe. Diversify, use cold wallets for large holdings, and follow security best practices. Binance is safer than ever, but you're still your own bank. Now you truly know what Binance is and how to use it wisely. Don't rush. Learn the platform, protect your funds, and grow at your pace. Found this video helpful? Smash the like button, subscribe for more, and drop your questions below. This is Cash and Coffee, your weekly dose of financial clarity. See you next time.